Howdy, partner. So you want to learn how to work a Ram multifunction tailgate? Well, you're in luck. We're going to show you today. Today, we're going to show you how the Ram multifunction tailgate works on this 2021 Dodge Ram 1500 Bighorn Edition. Before we get started, if you have any questions about this truck, please put them in the comments and also subscribe for more videos because we're going to do a bunch of stuff with this truck over the coming months. At first use, you have just a normal tailgate. If you unlock it, it is dampened and it comes down nice and slowly. Very light, very nice. But then there's also a bottom lever here as well. And when you hit the bottom lever, this side opens up like a car door to give you a very wide access. You then also have a handle on this side if you want that can go ahead and open this way, giving you great access to the truck. What's really nice about this, if you want to come on over, is when you stand here, you can reach almost to the back of the bed. And that's stuff you couldn't do normally when the tailgate's out. It pushes you a little further. So it's great for loading and unloading. The other thing I want you to see is this was built sturdy. If you look at this hinge right here, this is a very heavy duty hinge. This top section of this is meant to support up to I believe it's a couple hundred pounds. You don't want to do it, but it's made to be very strong. You know, if you're leaning on it at all. It's also got supports in the rear corners of the bed, and that helps to actually lock it in. So it's a very well engineered product. Unfortunately, you can't just buy the multifunction tailgate and put on a normal Ram because they do reinforce the bed to keep it from twisting. So you have to get those parts as well. And I don't really know how it would work. But again, you just have it this way. And you can either go down or out. And it's really, really effortless. So that's the Ram multifunction tailgate, but in this video, we have two bonus features for you. Come on over. The first is to show you the cargo tie-down system that you can just pull, set it, tighten down. Gives you great support. We also, while we're here, a third bonus feature, LED lights that are controlled by push button or automatic when the truck opens. Now this has a factory sprayed-in bed liner, which is a very nice feature. I should have mentioned, although it doesn't have a cargo step, it's meant to use this as a step and then use these when you get in and out, which makes it a little easier. And finally, we have a factory Mopar trifold tonneau cover. This comes on and off super easy. If you want to take it all the way out, it's the same as just closing it, but you got a couple clips. One nice thing, you don't have to get into the bed to use this, but it's very waterproof. You fold it over, let me close the, well, I don't want to close it all the way right now. Let me show you this. So you close this, and then you have these two levers here. I'll show you this one right here with it open. So this lever, when it goes down, so when you put it up, you're gonna go like that, it's gonna hold it. But then when it goes down, this basically clamps underneath. So as I close it, you can look in, and it's just gonna go ahead, and it's gonna go ahead and lock it down. So that's all you do. Do down both sides, and now you're super closed, and you can close the bed. That's what you do not want to do. And I meant to mention that there is a rubber bumper here that is made so that you do not damage your tailgate when you close the wrong side first. I'm glad I made the video. I wish it was on purpose, but that's it. Thanks for tuning in to Mr. Greg's How To. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe for more videos. Remember, you can too.